Box truck flipped over. FedEx box truck.
And one of the brothers flipped over. Christ.
Check out these winds, guys. I was in them winds this morning. I try to take the streets.
Look at that tree, son of a biscuit. We'll make this empty trailer crawl all the way to Victorville. We'll try to stay on the streets, not on the freeway.
God darn it, look at them trees, guys.
But truckers this morning, they're all telling me the same thing. Don't do it, just chill. But no, I think I'm good if I stay on the streets.
Once I got to the scales, guys, the winds were real calm up here at the scales, so I was able to bring that empty all the way to Victorville. That's where they wanted me to drop it at. So we made it. You know, the winds were down there in Fontana and Ontario. But once you hit the 15 and the 215, yeah, it was nice. It was good to go. I was even surprised that the scales were open. I mean, by the time I got there, they were closed, but there was a Amazon truck in there in the scale. So just be careful out there today, guys. Them winds are they're pretty bad. They are pretty bad. I had a few truckers that called them on the phone and they were telling me, don't do it, just wait it out. I said, I'll just take the streets. All right, guys, if you guys are out there driving, drive safe, be safe. We'll see you guys in our next video.